More on Libra coin and its potential to change the world. Then we're going to have a quick look at the markets, and I'll be telling you what I'm going to be doing in tomorrow's video. Good morning, everybody. Okay, as I've always said to you guys, I'll keep you up to date with what's happening with Libra coin. As we know, this is an amazing coin which has the potential to change the financial system as we know it. I've said many times, it is not a cryptocurrency. It is simply a world power trying to take over or trying to take a piece of the world economy with Libra coin. Now, the US lawmakers have, of course, latched onto this. I think that they finally understand the potential of Libra coin and the idea that it might take away from the US dollar and take away the government control and give the control of the finances to a huge tech giant like Facebook. So it's very interesting to see that US lawmakers visit Switzerland to discuss crypto, Facebook's Libra. What that really means is that these guys have realized that Switzerland is where Libra coin is actually registered. And we know traditionally Switzerland, excuse me, has always been the international banking hub where people were able to have hidden Swiss bank accounts and so on and so on. But now, of course, with Libra registering in Switzerland and the US lawmakers realizing the threat of Libra, they are sending a party, I think it's 4 or 5 people, over to Switzerland to make sure that they can control and potentially stop Libra coin. So it's very exciting times, and I will keep you guys updated with what is happening with Libra coin. It looks like the US just want to have control. They want to make sure that this cannot actually launch and it cannot actually happen without them dotting the I's and crossing the T's and making sure that they can fully handle and cope with what is about to be unleashed should Libra coin be launched. Anyway, I personally think that the way things are going, and this is subject to change, Libra will not be launching because it is just too soon and it's too risky for the world economy. But it would be so exciting if it did. Anyway, let's hop into the markets and have a quick look at what's going on. The weekend has been very kind to us, guys. The Bitcoin and the crypto prices have been very stable. They've even been climbing, but ever so slightly. As you can see on Altcoin Trader, we've got Bitcoin at 165,000 Rand per coin. And if we click over to Coin Market Cap, we can see it's a lovely day of green. Now, everything seems to be in the green and it's only marginally up. So these figures, you know, as we can see, Ethereum up 5%, Bitcoin up 2%, XRP up 7%. They are really not as good as they look because it's really just the coins have recovered and they did have some serious downturns. Well, not serious, but it did have a downturn. So that sea of green that we're seeing is probably not as good as it appears. But the weekend, as I say, has been very kind to us and everything is on the up. Bitcoin is set to take the stage and anything can happen. Okay, guys, then finally, if you are if you're one of those people that is always been told, take your crypto off of an exchange, it's not safe to have it on an exchange, move it away, make sure that you have sole custody of your Bitcoin, and you're thinking, how do I do that? Like, how do I move it off an exchange? Where do I move it? In tomorrow's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper wallet that has got no third party involved, that you have full control of. We're going to be going through the pros, the cons. Is it a good idea? And is it a safe way to keep your Bitcoin? So have a look at that in tomorrow's video. That's it from me. Enjoy your Monday.